So to set the timer down on the watch without using a computer, what you can do is use the little controller that we supply with the watch. So just remove the cap off the side and take the little USB controller and insert it into the watch. Now what you do is start up the watch by pressing and holding the button, but because this is attached, it won't go into record mode, it will go into play mode instead. It starts playing back automatically. If you've got headphones inserted in there, you can actually listen back to the audio. But for this, we're just setting the time and date. So on this screen, what you need to do is press and hold the pause button. And first of all, that will pause what you're listening to. If you then press and hold the pause button again, you'll go into the set time. Press the middle button again, and you'll be showing the time and date. So from here, if you just press the middle button, so now you see it's flashing. All you gotta do is set the time and date by press up and down. So it's year 2022. Press again. The month is the 8th, so press down one. The day is 25th, and it's about 3:30. Okay, so that's it. So once you've done, you can just press and hold if you're finished with it and let the device turn itself off.